Hi, my third grade mathematicians. Today we are going to review perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around a two-dimensional shape. So when we're finding the perimeter, we're going around the shape. We're finding the distance all the way around the shape. You'll notice that this rectangle has a side length of 7, 3, 7, and 3. You'll notice that the two parallel sides are the same length, so they're both 7. And let's just use meters today as we're talking about this. So we're going to say 7 meters and 7 meters. These two side lengths are both 3. They're parallel sides, so they're both going to be the same length. So to find the perimeter, we have to add 3 plus 3 plus 7 plus 7. We know 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 7 plus 7 is 14, and 6 plus 14 equals 20. So the perimeter is 20 meters. We don't square them because we're not finding the area, we're finding the perimeter. So let's go over here to my next example. I have another rectangle. One side length is 4, the other side is 5. So we're going to use meters again. So if this side is 4 meters, then we know this side here has to be 4 meters because they're parallel and they're the same length. If this side is 5 meters, we know this side also has to be 5 meters because they're parallel and they're the same length. So now we're going to add all of the sides together to find the perimeter. So 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 equals blank, equals the perimeter, and we'll put a P for perimeter. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 5 plus 5 is 10, and 8 plus 10 equals 18. So the perimeter is 18 meters. If you need more help with finding the perimeter, please let me know. Have a great day.